You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Introduction to Maintenance Engineering by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
Maintenance engineering is a branch of engineering focused on the application of engineering principles to the maintenance of aircraft systems and components. In the aviation industry, it is vital to ensure aircraft are safe, airworthy, and meet regulatory standards. This subject teaches students how to manage and execute maintenance operations effectively and efficiently. Role in AMET program. In the BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology (AMET) program, this course provides students with a foundational understanding of how maintenance supports flight safety, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. It prepares students to work in high-pressure environments where attention to detail and adherence to safety regulations are crucial. Key learning areas. Types of maintenance. Preventive maintenance: regular, scheduled tasks to prevent failure. Corrective maintenance: repairs performed after a failure is detected. Predictive maintenance uses data and analytics to predict future failures. Maintenance planning and scheduling. Understanding how to create effective maintenance schedules to minimize aircraft downtime. Planning inspections, overhauls, and modifications in compliance with aviation regulations. Regulatory compliance. Introduction to global aviation authorities such as EASA, FAA, ICAO, and National Civil Aviation Authorities, CAAs. Importance of maintaining proper documentation and logbooks. Human factors in maintenance. Training on safety culture, fatigue management, and communication within maintenance teams. Reducing human errors through awareness and proper procedures. Maintenance tools and techniques. Familiarity with hand tools, precision measuring instruments, and diagnostic devices. Use of modern computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS. Reliability and quality control. Methods to ensure components and systems meet strict reliability standards. Quality assurance and inspection techniques. Aircraft maintenance checks. Overview of A, B, C, and D checks. Understanding the scope and frequency of each level of inspection. Career pathways after learning this subject. Graduates gain the knowledge and hands-on skills required for roles such as aircraft maintenance engineer, maintenance planner, quality assurance technician, MRO, maintenance, repair and overhaul specialist, aviation safety auditor. Why it's important. Maintenance engineering ensures the continued safety and functionality of aircraft, which is critical in a field where human lives depend on mechanical integrity. This subject not only helps students develop technical expertise but also emphasizes regulatory knowledge, teamwork, and safety, key pillars of the aviation industry. Integration with other subjects. This subject is not isolated, it connects with many core areas of the AMET program, such as engineering, mathematics, and physics. These provide the scientific foundation required for understanding aircraft systems and mechanics, aerodynamics, and aircraft systems. Maintenance engineers must understand how systems work to maintain and troubleshoot them properly. Human resource and project management. Knowing how to manage maintenance teams and projects efficiently is key in large operations. Digital transformation in maintenance. Modern maintenance engineering heavily relies on digital tools. Students learn e-logbooks and digital records. Electronic record keeping is now standard in aviation to track service history and compliance. AI and predictive maintenance. Use of artificial intelligence, sensors, and data analytics to predict potential failures before they happen. Augmented reality, AR, being used for training and even in real-time maintenance procedures to improve accuracy. Safety and risk assessment. Students are introduced to the fundamentals of safety management systems, SMS, a proactive approach to managing risk and safety in aircraft maintenance. Risk assessment techniques. Identifying hazards, assessing risks, and implementing controls to reduce maintenance-related errors. Practical training and workshops. Hands-on learning. AMET programs typically include real-world training on aircraft mock-ups or in approved maintenance training organizations, AMTOs. Tool handling. Students are trained on industry-standard tools and diagnostic equipment. Workplace procedures. Includes lockout/tagout procedures, tool control, defect reporting, and handover protocols. Regulatory framework. Students study parts of EASA Part 66/147, FAA FAR Part 43/145, and ICAO Annex 6, which govern maintenance standards worldwide. Understanding airworthiness directives, ADs, and service bulletins, SBs, is crucial to ensure legal compliance. Soft skills emphasis. In addition to technical training, this subject also promotes attention to detail, time management, effective communication, team collaboration. Final projects or assignments. Students may complete maintenance procedure documentation, case studies on aircraft incidents due to poor maintenance, simulations of inspection and repair tasks, safety audits and quality assessments. Employment relevance. This subject is essential preparation for real-world careers in airlines, MROs, maintenance, repair, and overhaul companies, defense aviation, aircraft manufacturing companies, regulatory authorities. Conclusion. Maintenance engineering is a critical discipline in aviation. It ensures aircraft are safe, reliable, and ready to fly. Within the BSc AMET program, this subject equips students with the technical expertise, regulatory knowledge, and professional discipline needed for a successful career in the aviation industry. It builds the foundation for future engineers, emphasizing that behind every safe flight is a team of skilled maintenance professionals working with precision, care, and responsibility.